हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम 12th इंग्लिश ग्रामर के टॉपिक में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पढ़ेंगे। हियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन्स change the sentence without change its meaning. In this topic there are many rules of transformation. The first one is, as we know, remove to. As we have learned in 11th standard, remove to. For example, she is too old to walk. We have learned that in place of to we use so, then use adjective, after that then subject, then cannot or could not, then verb first form and other words. In this way we can remove adverb to. So let's do according to this equation formula. She is so old that she cannot walk. Students, in place of to we use so, then adjective, then use that, after that one same subject here, she, cannot or could not. When here is a present tense we use cannot, and if there is a past tense we use could not. Understood? Now the next one, this box was too heavy for me to lift. Students, the formation of this sentence little bit differ. Here is for me, that's why this is different sentence. Let's do, this box was, in place of to, so, this box was so, then adjective heavy. Students, for me, if in the sentence of adverb to, here is for me, change into I. If here is for her, change into she. For him, he. For them, they. So this box was so heavy, sorry students, connective that here, that this box was so heavy that for me, in place of for me we use I. Then here is past tense. As I told you before, that in case of past tense we use what use, students? Could not. This box was so heavy that I could not lift, and then use we cannot live, I could not lift it. So these two ways, students, we remove to. Then a third example, in adverb to, the weather is too hot. When students, the sentence has without a infinitive to, then we use in place of to extremely or beyond the proper limit, or before adjective, before adjective we use over. हम क्या यूज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? ओवर, या फिर ये फ्रेज यूज कर दिए बियॉन्ड द प्रॉपर लिमिट या एक्सट्रीमली. लेट्स डू स्टूडेंट्स. द वेदर इज extremely hot. Done students? So these are the 3 rules students of removing to. Thank you very much.